Ever found yourself reaching for chocolate when you're stressed or craving salty snacks after a tough day? Cravings aren't just random. They're your body's way of sending important signals. Today on DietWise, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of food cravings, what they mean, and how you can respond to them wisely. Firstly, let's see, what are food cravings? Food cravings are those intense, often uncontrollable urges for specific foods. And while it's easy to think cravings are just about taste, they're actually much more complex. They can be a combination of biological, emotional, and environmental triggers. But here's the science. Cravings often stem from three main causes: nutritional deficiencies, hormonal fluctuations, and emotional triggers. Understanding what your body needs can help you make better choices. Common food cravings and their meanings. Let's break down some of the most common cravings and what your body might be trying to tell you. Number 1, chocolate cravings. Can't resist chocolate? You're not alone. It's one of the most common cravings worldwide. This could be your body signaling low magnesium levels. Magnesium is a crucial mineral that helps with stress, muscle relaxation, and sleep. Suggestions to overopen: instead of reaching for milk chocolate, opt for dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher. It's lower in sugar and higher in magnesium. Or include magnesium-rich foods in your diet like nuts, seeds, or spinach. Number 2, salty snacks. Craving salty chips or pretzels? Your body might be trying to restore its sodium balance or signaling dehydration. Sodium is an essential electrolyte, and when you're low, your body craves salty foods. Suggestions for salty craving are: first, try drinking a glass of water. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for a craving. If the craving persists, opt for healthy salty options like roasted nuts or air-popped popcorn with a pinch of sea salt. Number 3, sugary foods. Sugar cravings often mean your blood sugar levels are out of balance. When your glucose drops, your brain sends a signal for a quick fix: sweets. But indulging in sugary snacks can lead to a cycle of spikes and crashes. Suggestions to overcome sugary food cravings are: to break this cycle, choose natural sources of sugar like fruits, which also provide fiber to stabilize your blood sugar. Pair a sweet craving with protein, like a banana with peanut butter, to stay fuller for longer. Number 4, carbs. Carbs, bread or pasta carb cravings, especially for things like bread or pasta, are often linked to low serotonin levels. Serotonin is the feel-good hormone, and eating carbs can temporarily boost it. Suggestions to overcome carbs craving are: instead of refined carbs, choose whole grains like oats, quinoa, or whole grain bread for a longer-lasting serotonin boost. Combine your carbs with a protein or healthy fat to balance your meal. Number 5, red meat. If you're dreaming about a steak, your body might be asking for more iron or protein. This is especially common in people with anemia or those who are physically active. Suggestions to overcome such craving: while red meat is a great source of iron, you can also find it in plant-based options like lentils, tofu, or fortified cereals. Pair iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources like citrus fruits to improve absorption. Emotional triggers behind cravings. Sometimes cravings aren't about nutrients. They're about emotions like stress, cravings. When stressed, your body releases cortisol, which makes you crave high-fat, high-sugar foods like ice cream or chocolate. Boredom cravings. Snacking out of boredom often leads to mindless eating, especially of chips or sweets. Comfort cravings. Feeling low? Comfort foods like carbs or fried snacks are a way of self-soothing. Recognize your emotional triggers and find healthier ways to cope, like taking a walk, meditating, or sipping herbal tea. Tips to manage cravings. So how do you manage cravings without feeling deprived? Here are some simple tips. Number 1, stay hydrated. Sometimes thirst can be confused with hunger. Drink water first before giving in to a craving. Number 2, maintain a balanced diet. Include proteins, healthy fats, and fiber in every meal to keep your blood sugar stable and reduce cravings. Number 3, mindful eating. Ask yourself, am I truly hungry? Or is this an emotional craving? Pause and reflect before reaching for a snack. Number 4, healthy swaps. Find healthier versions of your favorite cravings. For example, roasted chickpeas instead of chips, or Greek yogurt with honey instead of ice cream. Cravings are your body's way of communicating. By understanding them, you can make choices that fuel your health and happiness. Like this video? Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe and ring the bell for more science-backed tips on food, diet, and nutrition. Drop your weirdest food cravings in the comments. I'd love to decode them for you. Stay healthy. Stay diet-wise.